In our previous class, we have discussed Heron formula, very short type question from number 1 to 6. Now, we shall discuss the rest of the numbers. Number 7. Find the area of an equilateral triangle having altitude h cm. Answer: area of equilateral triangle, the formula is area is equal to 1 by root 3 into h square. When altitude is given, the area is 1 by root 3 into h square or altitude square, equal to 1 by root 3 into altitude h square, so h square by root 3. This is the answer. Next, number 8. Let delta be the area of a triangle. Find the area of a triangle whose each side is twice the side of the given triangle. Answer: you know that semi-perimeter S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. If we cross multiply, 2S is equal to A plus B plus C. According to the question, each side of the triangle is double. If the three sides are ABC, then the new sides are 2A, 2B, 2C. According to the question, each side double. So, semi-perimeter S dash of the new triangle is equal to 2A plus 2B plus 2C by 2, equal to, take 2 common, then A plus B plus C by 2. 2 cancel. So S dash is equal to A plus B plus C. But in the first value, A plus B plus C equal to 2S. So implies that S dash equal to 2S. Now, find the area of a new triangle. Area of new triangle delta. Put the formula S whole into S minus A whole into S minus B whole into S minus C whole root over. Now, in place of area of a new triangle delta means put here S dash, S dash, S dash, S dash. Now put the value of S dash. S dash is equal to 2S. Now 2S whole into 2S minus, in place of A put 2A. Then 2S in place of B, 2B. Now 2S in place of C, 2C whole root over. Now 2S, take common 2 from this number, then S minus A. Now take 2 common from the 2 number, S minus B. Now take 2 common, then S minus C whole root over. equal multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times, so 16 whole into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c whole root over of 16 is equal to 4, then root over of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus 4. This is the area of first triangle, s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Let this one equal to delta. So area of a new triangle is 4 times the area of the given triangle. Finish. Next, number 9. If each side of a triangle is doubled or twice, double means twice, then find percentage increase in its area. In our previous question number 8, we have discussed that when the each side of a triangle is doubled, the area will be 4 times the first triangle. Let area of first triangle is equal to delta. Then area of new triangle when side is doubled or twice will be 4 delta. So what is the increase in area? Increase in area equal to 4 delta minus delta equal to 3 delta. Increase in area 3 delta. So percentage of increase, percentage of increase equal to increment by first area into 100. Increment 3 delta by first area delta into 100. So delta delta cancel. So 3 into 100 equal to 300%. Finish. Number 10. If each side of an equilateral triangle is tripled, then what is the percentage increase in the area of the triangle? First, let area of the first triangle delta equal to root 3 by 4 a square. As it is an equilateral triangle, so area is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. According to the question, if the side is tripled, side is tripled, so side will be 3 in the new area equal to root 3 by 4 into side square or 3a square equal to root 3 by 4 into 9a square. You can write 9 into root 3 by 4 a square. So here 9 into root 3 by 4 a square, the area of the first triangle, let it delta. Now the new area will be 9 delta or 9 times of the first triangle. So increment in area, equal to 9 delta minus delta equal to 8 delta. Percentage increment equal to increment 8 delta by the first area delta, all the original area, into 100. Delta cancel, 8 into 100, 800%. Finish.